Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel. Now very short answer question only for one question, IP, TS and AP. Just motion in a plane, once more problem. Okay, very simple explanation and simple equation. So equation here, exercises problems only for problems. Problem here, second problem. Okay, important problems in IP, TS and AP, and also used for NEET and JEE mains. Okay, now see here, first of all, if theta is the angle of projection, so here angle of projection or the range, here or the range. Okay, h means here the maximum height, h means here maximum height, here t the time of flight, t the here time of flight. Then show that here two equations. Here first one, a tan theta is equal to 4h by r. Here second one, here b h is equal to maximum height is equal to here gt squared by 8. So show that these two equation from above, range, time of flight and maximum height. Very simple explanation. Listen carefully. Okay, first case here, this is a case first one. Okay, now simply first of all, maximum height formula, maximum height, here h is equal to formula u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, this is a maximum height formula. Next, the relation between first case here, relation between maximum height and range. ఇక్కడ ఏంది దేని మధ్య రిలేషన్ ఉంది? ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో చూసినట్టయితే ద రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్ హియర్ స్మాల్ హెచ్ ఇచ్చేసిన క్వశ్చన్లో స్మాల్ హెచ్. ఓకే, ద రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్ అండ్ రేంజ్. సో హారిజాంటల్ రేంజ్ హియర్ r is equal to just formula u square sin 2 theta by g, this is a range formula, horizontal range. Now the relation between h and r, simply h by r, here equation, this is equation 1, for example this is equation 2. After we will get here the tan theta is equal to 4h by r. Now simply here equation 1 by equation 2, for example. Okay, here equation 1 nothing but h by here equation 2 r. Okay, so here h values here u square sin square theta by 2g by here r values u square sin 2 theta by just g. This is a 1. Now this denominator, this one here, this denominator is one multiplication. Now simply that one here h by r is equal to simplifies u square sin square theta by 2g into here g by remaining terms here u square sin 2 theta. Now here cancel terms, u square get cancel. Okay, once get cancel, g okay, in terms gg get cancel, so gg get cancel. Remainings here h by r is equal to sin square theta. Okay, here sin square theta by sin 2 theta, here 2 into sin 2 theta. Okay, sin 2 theta. Okay, this is a sin 2 theta. Now sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Now simplifies h by r is equal to numerator here just sin square theta, denominator here 2 into this sin 2 theta is equal to 2 cos theta here just sin theta. Okay, here terms sin square theta ki once get cancel, remaining h by r is equal to remaining numerator here just sin theta, denominator here 2 2 ja 4 into remaining cos theta, This is a now Here sin by cos is equal to tan theta. Sin by cos is equal to tan theta. So tan theta by 4 that is equal to h by r. Tan theta by 4 is equal to, that is equal to h by. Note this one first of all. Very simple. Okay. Your answer. Final answer. First case, h by simplies h by r is equal to sin by cos is equal to nothing but here tan theta by 4. Okay, simplies here tan theta is equal to cross multiplication, just cross multiplication 4 into h by here, this is a r, this is a prove the, this is a show that the here the relation between maximum height, sorry any mistake, cross multiplication just okay, correct answer. Okay, the relation between maximum height and range. So tan theta is equal to 4h by r. This is a formula. Next, show that the h is equal to gt square by 8. gt square by 8. Now this is the relation between time period, time of flight and maximum height. Time of flight and maximum height. Note this one first of all. This is ఇక్కడ నుండి మనకి కంటిన్యూషన్ ఇక్కడ రాయండి, ఇక్కడికి ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చిన కంటిన్యూషన్ చేసుకోండి. వెరీ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే, 4 mark question in IP. Next one, the relation between height and maximum height and time of flight. Time of flight. Okay, here formula h is equal to, we prove the h is equal to gt square by just 8. gt square by 8. This is how we prove the maximum height is equal to gt square by 8. G means here acceleration due to gravity, t is equal to time of flight and g 8. So first of all, formula maximum height is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. This is equation 1. Okay, here time of flight, time of flight gt, t is equal to 2u sin theta by g, 2u sin theta by g. This is equation 2. Okay, this is equation 2. So this equation squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, that means this equation squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides nothing but here t square is equal to simply 2 to 4 u square sin square theta by g square. This is the equation 2. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసిన టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్ ని స్క్వేరింగ్, స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ద బోత్ సైడ్స్, దెన్ t square is equal to 4 u square sin square theta by g square. Now equation 1/2. Now from equations 1/2, 1/2 nothing but here h by t means t square is equal to t, h values here u square sin square theta by 2g by t value, t square values, this is a t square values by 4 u square sin square theta by here g square. Okay, this is a number 1. Okay, multiplication simplies h by t square is equal to, simplies here h by t square is equal to u square and sin square theta by 2g. This is a reverse, just one reverse, g square into g square by here 4 u square sin square theta, sin square theta. So any terms cancels here, g once cancel, g once cancel, so remaining g. Okay, remaining g. So here u square, here u square get cancelled, sin square theta here sin square theta get cancelled, remaining terms here t by t square is equal to g, this is only for g by 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8 remaining terms here. So the maximum height h is equal to cross multiplication, the maximum height is equal to cross multiplication g t square by 8. This is the answer. This is the answer. The relation between time of flight and maximum height, h is equal to gt square by 8. This is the answer. So students, మీకు మ్యాక్సిమం షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్లో కానీ వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్లో కానీ 4th టాపిక్లో అన్నీ అప్లోడ్ చేసిన. ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా అడిషనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కావాలంటే కామెంట్ రూపంలో కామెంట్ పెట్టండి. ఈ టాపిక్స్ నుంచి మనకి మినిమం 10 to 12 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి, ఇటు ఏపీ వాళ్ళ కానీ ఇటు టీఎస్ వాళ్ళ కానీ. ఇప్పుడు జనరల్లీ ఏపీ వాళ్ళు ఈ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళకు 100% ఈ టాపిక్ నుంచి 2 షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయి, ఒకటి వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్, 2 వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి. సో వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి, కొద్దిగా ఫోకస్ చేయండి. షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్లో తీసినట్టయితే ప్రొజెక్టైల్ మోషన్ అండ్ మ్యాక్సిమేట్ ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంటుంది, అలాగే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఇంకో రిమైనింగ్ చూసినట్టయితే ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్తాడు, ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అప్లోడ్ చేసిన. ఇంకా మీకు కావాలి అనుకుంటే కామెంట్ రూపంలో కామెంట్ చేయండి, మీకోసం రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా చేస్తా. థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.